morning, guys. Stefan down at Victory Nissan. I'd like to show you our 2020 Nissan Rogue Sport. This is the SV trim level, so it's going to come equipped with its alloys. It's got a back bumper protector. We got our backup sensors right there. Backup cameras installed on the vehicle as well. See that right there? It's what's on the inside that counts though, right? So hopping in, we know we have our power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. Got a gorgeous tan interior in here. We know we have our push button start as well. All your hands-free settings on the steering wheel for you to abide by the hands-free law. Also comes equipped with a D-shaped steering wheel to make getting in and out a little bit easier on you. 3 miles on this car currently. Comes equipped with Apple and Android CarPlay for a way to use your navigation synced on the screen as long as you have a cell phone signal. You got dual control climate, so you're not fighting with whoever's in the driver passenger seat about who's hot and who's cold. Y'all can both do your own thing. USB slot for lightning charging. Plenty of room in the back seats. Never been sat in, never been farted in, guys. This is the 2020 Nissan Rogue. That is just a couple of the many features that we have available on these cars. My name is Stefan, and I look forward to working for you in the future.